State Newton's law of gravitation. 1 minute, wait, again I'm repeating. State Newton's law of gravitation. Have you written like this? According to Newton's law of gravitation, every particle of a matter is attracted by every particle of other matter by force, which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. This much we have written.
Yeah, sir, but we have written it in like points.
No, yeah, first point directly proportional, second point inversely proportional to the square of distance.
Correct.
See, inversely proportional to the square of distance, sometimes it is also called as inverse square law. What it is called? Inverse square law. Say
One square. Yeah.
inverse square law. Inverse square law means reciprocal of square. That is called inverse square law. Then I think also we wrote like this. Let M1 comma M2 be two masses. Correct? Separated by distance r. Therefore, by Newton's law of gravitation, F proportional m1 m2 upon r square. So F equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. This much we have done. Just check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have we written where g is constant called as gravitational constant?
Yes, sir.
No, this much was our last. Okay. Every particle of a matter is attracted by every particle of other matter by force which is directly proportional to the product means multiplication of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So F is G m1 m2 upon r square. From here you will start, where G is a constant of proportionality, where G is a constant of proportionality called as gravitational constant. What is called as universal gravitational constant. What is meaning of universal? On Earth or on Moon or on Jupiter, where?
Sir, anywhere in universe.
Anywhere. So universal means anywhere, whether it is Mulund, whether it is Kalyan, whether it is Dadar, whether it is Moon, whether it is Jupiter, whether it is Mars, everywhere it is same to same. So does it changes or it remains constant? Is it
Constant.
constant? So value of G remains same at all places and is independent of nature of particle. Nature of particle means whether it is solid, liquid, gas. G does not changes. It only depends on those masses, independent of nature of particles, comma, temperature, medium, etc. And that is why it is called universal gravitational constant. Please write this much, then I will tell value of G. G is a constant of proportionality called as universal gravitational constant. Value of G remains same at all places and it is independent of nature of particles, temperature, medium, etc. Hello, done. Good morning. Done. Bhavya.
No, sir, only two words are left. Yeah, sir, done.
Everybody has done. Shall I clear it off?
No, sir, one second.
Okay. Hello, shall I?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. What is value of small g?
9.8 meter per second.
Correct. 9.8 meter per second square. The value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Can anybody tell what is its SI unit? Ivani, can you tell what is SI unit? Come on, Ivani, tell what is SI unit? Yes, Khushbu, tell what is SI unit? Yashri, tell what is SI unit? Nidansh, what is SI unit?
Sir, SI unit is System Unites de International. It is a unit system which is the fundamental unit system used in most countries.
Who is telling this answer? Nidansh, you are telling?
Medhansh. Yeah, sir.
See, my question is, what is SI unit of this G? I'm not telling what is meaning of SI unit. What is SI unit of G?
Okay.
Yes, tell.
Sir, in that case, wouldn't it be Newton meter square on Newton's meter square upon kg square?
So same I have written, that only is the answer.
Yeah.
Newton
Yeah.
meter square kg square raised to minus 2. So where you are struggling, It's, sometimes they can ask like this, its SI unit is same Newton meter square per kg square. CY force is G M1 M2 upon R square. What is F unit? Is it Newton? Mass kg, kg, Shamyank, what it is? 2 kg?
No, sir. Kg
No,
square.
kg square. And R means meter square. So Newton meter square upon kg square, which is Newton meter square kg raised to minus 2. So SI
Sir, or
unit
else we can write the full form of Newton also. Like not the full form, uska derivation kg meter per second.
kg meter per second. Kg meter per second square.
Square. हाँ, kg.
But together it is Newton. What fun we will get
हाँ.
by writing that. That itself, Newton said, don't write kg meter per second square. You give me my name, so please respect him. Define universal gravitational constant. Define universal gravitational constant. Please copy this much, then definition I will help you. Copy till this, please. Devansh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody is awakened. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good
Nimai.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, morning.
Good
Good morning. Yes, Abhik. I'm going for cycling today. You all are coming?
सर हम लोग भी जाने वाले थे पर फिर कैंसिल हो गया क्लास था इसके लिए.
अरे आप लोग जाने वाले इसलिए तो मैं क्लास जल्दी रखा और फिर साइकिल लेके तैयारी भी हूँ. किधर मिलना है बोलो? कोठारी स्वीट्स?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Cyprus.
साइप्रस मिलना है. अरे उसमें बहुत हिल जैसा है वो. Okay, enjoy cycle riding. 9 o'clock sharp I will stop. Don't worry. You can catch all those people at Cyprus.
नहीं सर हम लोग ने ही प्लान बनाया था फिर हम लोग ही नहीं थे इसके लिए फिर कोई गया ही नहीं.
अरे 9 के बाद भी it's not, it's raining. See, climate is very good.
हाँ सर हम लोग सुबह को 6:45 या 7 o'clock को करते हैं.
अच्छा, so early you all go. Okay. Then don't ask me to come. I don't get up so early. So every Sundays you all go?
No.
Yeah, mostly. Sometimes depends कि फ्री है क्या सब लोग.
No, it's very good habit. Very good habit it is. So you all are multitasking, studying also, and you are sportsman also. No, too good. Define universal gravitational constant. Written heading?
Yes sir.
Okay. Just look on the screen. F means what? Father? Force. F equal to G M1 M2 upon R square. If M1 M2 both are same and equal to 1 kg and R equal to 1 meter, then can we say F equal to G or not? Tell me this first. M1 is 1, M2 is 1, 1 into 1 is what?
1.
1. 1 divided by 1 is what?
1.
1. So what will be left out if I put 1, 1, 1, 1?
F is equal to G.
Correct. F equal to G is left out. What is G? What is G?
The constant.
Universal
Constant.
gravitational constant. So I can say thus universal gravitational constant is defined as gravitational force of attraction. Universal gravitational constant equal to means is defined as gravitational force of attraction between whom? You and me, mom and dad,
Yeah.
brother, sister.
Yeah.
Yes. Gravitational force of attraction between whom? Two unit masses. One means what? Unit masses.
Sir,
Separate.
particles of two people are also attracting.
Correct. That's why I told now whom.
But sir, then why aren't we splitting open into pieces?
Because that force is so small, 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. It is very small, negligible. So two unit masses separated by unit distance. So these forces are effective in planetary motion because planet's mass is also close to 6 into 10 raised to 24. तो उधर मुकाबला टक्कर का है, जी का वैल्यू कम, मास ऑफ प्लैनेट ज्यादा, दोनों मिलके एक दूसरे को फिटूस करते हैं. सेपरेटेड बाय यूनिट डिस्टेंस. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Yes. Copy it till this. Universal gravitational constant is defined as gravitational force of attraction between two unit masses separated by unit distance. So these forces are significant in heavenly bodies, not our normal bodies like us, who will be going to heaven. Your teacher has started heat chapter?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not yet? Okay. Then we'll catch her.
But sir, this time in heat chapter, they have omitted parts B and C, and D may only greenhouse gas and global warming definitions are coming.
Acha. So when we start, just tell me what is omitted.
Okay.
If done, then please say.
Done, sir.
Okay. Characteristics of gravitational force. Is it contact force or non-contact force?
Non-contact.
Non-contact, correct. Is it attractive or repulsive?
Attractive.
Always or only few times?
Always.
Always. So first characteristic, it is always attractive. Second, it is directly proportional to the product of the masses. Third, it is inversely proportional to the square of distance between two masses. Hence, it obeys inverse square law. Copy this 3 point. Fourth, it is significant between heavenly bodies, but insignificant between ordinary bodies. Again, once you complete, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. Importance of the law of gravitation. Anybody is planning to go to NASA?
I don't know.
Not sure, sir. It depends.
Okay. So you want to work in NASA?
No.
Okay. So if somebody is planning to go to NASA, they have to study about all these gravitational forces. Have you seen the movie called Interstellar?
No.
If you get time, watch that movie
Yeah,
three
sir.
times
Just
at least.
movie.
Very beautiful movie, fully based on this gravitational attraction law. So observe, watch that at least 3 times, then you will understand. एक तो इंग्लिश में है, चलेगा ना? इंग्लिश में है वो.
नहीं सर, थोड़ा समझेगा नहीं.
हाँ, इसलिए 3 बार देखने का है.
चलेगा बॉबी, मैं समझा देगा तुझे.
Because it is not only English, physics का English है and visualize वाला. Beautiful movie. If you get time, please see it. Importance of law of gravitation. Means why we are studying all this Newton's law of gravitation. So it's important is it actually explains you about planetary motion. So Newton, importance we are writing. Newton used this law to explain the motion of planets around the sun. Newton used this law to explain the motion of planets around the sun. The motion of moon around Earth and motion of freely falling body. So motion of planet around sun, motion of moon around satellite, and freely falling body. He gave the explanation by using this law. That's why it is important, right? Sometimes for 1 mark they can ask this.
Sir, gravitation was Newton's favorite law, right?
Yes, Newton's law of gravitation was Newton's favorite law.
Apple.
One more scientist was there, Kepler naam tha uska. He also worked on that. Kepler, Kepler.
Kepler scale.
No, Kelvin scale we have. Can I clear it?
Sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Sir, how are you now?
Almost fine. In fact, yesterday I slept at 5 o'clock. That means today morning at 5 o'clock.
Oh,
Sir, are you well now?
I am very fine. Yes. My son went to US yesterday for further studies.
congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
So congrats.
इसीलिए you slept at 5 o'clock.
Yeah. I'd been to Port. So University of California, Los Angeles, LA. Hello, can I clear it?
No, yeah, sir.
Okay. Yashri, Khushbu, Ivani.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Two more small theory, then numerical I will help. Force due to gravity. Whenever we talk about gravity, means who will come into picture?
Newton.
No, Newton will give law, but gravity, who will come into picture? Earth, na?
Oh, yeah.
Earth. Earth attracts me or it attracts you?
Everyone.
Everyone.
Correct. So Earth attracts every object around it. Where it attracts, on the right or left?
Down.
Towards its center. Where it attracts? Towards its
Towards the
center.
center.
And this force with which Earth attracts a body towards its center is called as force due to gravity. The force with which Earth attracts every body is called as force of gravity. Write down. Force with which Earth attracts every body towards its center is called as force of gravity. Return?
No, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Very important chapter. Same chapter is there, means extension of this in 11th standard. Even in 10th you have a part. Return?
No, sir.
Arey, homework don't do. Only one time you have to do classwork.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Somebody will say, sir, ये कितना रहता है force? 1 Newton, 2 Newton, 3 Newton, हम लोग को कैसा समझेगा? Earth is attracting towards its center everybody, तो समझ गया. लेकिन कितना force? So is it like 3 Idiot में वो बोलता है induction motor, how it starts? ऐसा बोलो, इतना force. So some value it should have or not?
Yeah.
So Earth attracts
9 point.
a body of mass 1 kg by force
9.1.
of 9.8 Newton. 9.8 Newton towards its center. So for 2 kg, what will be the force? Yes, Devansh, right. You said
9.8. 9.8.
no. For 2 kg, 2 into 9.8, 3 kg, 3 into 9.8, 4 kg, 4 into 9.8. Write down further 2 lines. A body of mass 1 kg is attracted by force of 9.8 Newton towards its center. Hello, can I clear it? Yes, Nimai, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
Can I clear it? Can I clear
How
it?
are you?
I'm also good. Can I clear it?
1 second, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now can I clear? Tick tick one.
Yes.
Okay. What is meaning of acceleration? What it does? If we say body is accelerated, what it does?
Change in velocity per
Correct, correct. Very good. Change in velocity it does. If it is increasing the velocity, then what is that acceleration? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Suppose it is decreasing the velocity, then
Negative.
what is negative acceleration called as?
Retardation.
Retardation. So increasing the magnitude of velocity, it is called acceleration. Decreasing, then retardation. Whenever gravity comes, then who comes? Earth.
Earth.
Earth is pulling
Earth.
everybody. Is it pulling
Yes, sir.
everybody?
Yes, sir.
So velocity of body will start increasing when it is falling towards Earth. If velocity starts increasing, that means somebody is accelerating it.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I drop a
Acceleration
stone.
due to gravity.
Yeah, correct. If I drop a stone from height, it will gain some velocity here. Somebody drops one brick from the top floor. Unfortunately, somebody is standing here. When it hits his head, तो उसका head दो टुकड़े में हो जाएगा ना. और he
हाँ
is
सर.
फुटबॉल प्लेयर, वो अपना सर से वापस ऊपर मारेगा और ऊपर से जो गिरा है उसके ऊपर आएगा. ऐसा होएगा? That
हाँ
means
सर.
Earth का pulling force is very strong. When it is pulling the body by applying force, body's velocity is increasing. That means somebody is changing the velocity. That somebody is called acceleration due to gravity. Now in proper word we'll write. Can I say it is the acceleration? Produced. Produced. In which body? In a freely falling body. In a freely falling body. Due to gravitational force of attraction of Earth. Due to gravitational force of attraction of Earth. Copy this definition. At where G is more, equator or pole?
Pole.
Equator.
At
Sir,
pole, because
equator.
pole, no, at pole, because pole is closer to the center.
Closer to the center.
So always acceleration due to gravity is slightly greater than that on the equator at poles. What is average value of G?
9.8, right?
Correct, 9.8 meter per second. So if I go up, acceleration increases or decreases?
It will decrease.
And if I dug a hole in earth and go deep, then
Gravity will not affect.
also it will decrease. So whether you
Sir,
move
but
up
gravity is
or
at
you
Earth's
move
crust
down,
only,
in
na?
both cases it will decrease. हाँ, now
Sir,
but-
tell, हाँ, एक मिनट एक जन बोलो, हाँ लाइन से.
Sir, but gravity is at Earth's crust only, right?
No, that is your myth. I will explain how it is acting. First, write down this much. Return.
No, sir.
Sorry, one second.
Okay,
Sir,
right.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, when we often say that when we go higher in the mountains, there is more force acting upon us because हम लोग जितना हाई जाते हैं उतना ग्रेविटी का मतलब हाइट बढ़ता है तो ग्रेविटी भी बढ़ना चाहिए ना.
नहीं, अब बताता हूँ आपको. पहले अब इसके बाद एक रिलेशन है ऑफ जी एंड रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ. ऊपर जाते हैं तो पुलिंग फोर्स कम होएगा ना, बिकॉज डिस्टेंस बढ़ गया, तो इनवर्स स्क्वायर से फोर्स कम होएगा. करेक्ट.
सर तो पोल्स पे क्यों ग्रेविटी ज्यादा है? ऊपर नीचे तो अफेक्ट ही नहीं होना चाहिए.
सपोज ये अर्थ है, हाँ वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, डेप्थ में भी फोर्स कम होता है ना, बिकॉज मास सब इधर है ना, अंदर है क्या नहीं, अर्थ के अंदर मास है ना, क्या अर्थ इज हॉलो, अर्थ इज अ सॉलिड स्फीयर, नो इट इज नॉट हॉलो स्फीयर.
Yeah.
So all this attraction is due to this particles, na? So when you
Yeah.
go up, then also this particle will attract. When you go inside, then also it will attract. But upper, if you move, distance starts increasing. By inverse law, that force will start decreasing. That's why it is less. So that's why when you go very far in the space, there is weightlessness. So you can swim in air.
हाँ सर.
Have you
सर
completed?
मुझे वो डीप वाला नहीं समझा.
मैं समझाता
मतलब
हूँ.
नीचे जाएंगे तो
बताता
कैसे?
हूँ, बताता हूँ.
ओके.
Have you written this? Everybody has
Yeah,
copied.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Two more
sir.
lines. Two more lines will write. Then I will explain depth पे कैसा कम. The value of G decreases at altitude, that means height, or at depth. Y wala part I'm just explaining right now. Written? Everybody has written this.
Yes.
Okay. How many of you have seen Earth?
No, sir. No, sir. Just a second.
Or
Seen out in the sense pictures and all, right?
whatever way. Otherwise somebody will say, sir, मैं फ्लाइट से गया, ऊपर से और देखा, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था. In pictures you have seen, rightly you are saying, pictures. So generally they show like this, na? Circular. Correct, no?
हाँ सर. Sphere
But
जैसा.
actually it is not circular, it is elliptical, na? Now if I consider this is center, then this is pole, and this is equator. Pole is nearer, Equator is slightly far, correct na? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
So here the distance is less of the body. So force of attraction due to gravity will be more as compared to that of the equator. So G here is more, G equator less. So if they say a body is taken from equator to the pole, then G will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. So what about its weight? Weight depends upon G na? So it will increase. Okay, sometimes they can ask you. Now
But mass will remain constant.
now our problem was depth पे कम होता है क्या नहीं होता. Suppose here the body is of mass m, then entire earth is attracting that body or not, all particle of earth, yes or not?
Correct.
But
Yeah.
suppose the body is taken at certain depth below the earth, certain depth. It is taken at depth. Here it is taken. Then this much part will attract na? First
Yeah.
force is attracting. Now attraction कम होएगा क्या ज्यादा होएगा? Particle कम हो गया ना? कितना होएगा?
कम हो गया.
Because of that it decreases. Okay?
सर बट देन तो इक्वेटर पे मैक्सिमम होना चाहिए ना.
इक्वेटर अर्थ के अंदर नहीं ना, इक्वेटर इज सरफेस के ऊपर. इक्वेटर अंदर नहीं है, इक्वेटर किधर है? सरफेस के ऊपर. दिस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इनसाइड, है ना? डेप्थ मींस इनसाइड. हाँ, ये पूरा पेरीफेरी है ना, ऊपर है ना.
हाँ.
ठीक है, चलिए क्लियर दिस.
थैंक यू सर.
ओके बेटा.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now one numerical I am doing. Just now I got message from my son drinking coffee at Doha airport because there is lag at Doha and then direct flight is there. You also work hard and try to get master's degree from abroad and then come to India and enjoy your life.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So now he is in Qatar and then he will go to.
Yes. Then he will go, yes. And once he completes his course, his package will be nearly 1 crore Indian money.
OMG.
Okay, it's good now. Then I will also come for cycle ride with you all. Numerical, see first sum.
Sir, what? How many years ka course hai?
This is 15 months plus 3 month internship, 18 months.
Oh, more than 1 year.
Yes, more than 1 year. But it is bit costly course.
Yeah, but then in package you can cover up.
That's why it will be compensated. And you require work experience minimum 2 years after studying graduation.
Okay.
Are you there on page number 80?
Yeah, sir. No, I'm not there, but
Okay, I'm just reading that sum. One numerical I'm doing. So much theory you will forget, na? So 2-3 numerical I'm doing. Force of attraction between two bodies. Force of attraction, can I denote by F?
yeah.
F is 10 Newton. What will be the force of attraction between them if separation is reduced to half? So first force, can I call F1? Second force I want. Separation is denoted by R. If new separation R2 becomes half of original separation, they are telling what is the force. What is relation between force and distance? G M1 M2 upon R square or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now G is constant, masses are constant. Therefore, F and R are only proportional to R square.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first force upon second force, can I write R2 upon R1 square? Because it is ulta. So R2 will come up, R1 will come down.
Correct.
F1 is,
Yeah, sir. Like pendulum में होता था
yes, beta, yes, perfect, perfectly fine.
उल्टा.
So 10 upon F2 is R2, which is half R1 upon R1, the whole square. I can cancel R1, R1. So 10 upon F2 is 1 by 4. F2 equal to 40 Newton. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, but it's
But
not it.
suppose it is filling the blanks format, don't waste your energy. See, distance is becoming half. Then you take its reverse and square it. That much time that force will become. What is reciprocal of half? Is it 2?
Yeah.
And its square will become 4.
Yeah, sir.
So force will become
Like
4
raised
times
to minus
original.
2.
It will become 4 times original.
Yeah.
Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
if the distance becomes 1/3, how much will be the force?
9 times.
9 times. Distance becomes double. What will be the force?
1/4.
Very good. Distance becomes 3 times. What will be the force?
Sir, 1 second. If distance becomes double, then
1/4.
sir, how 1/4? It will be 1 upon root 2, na?
Distance becomes double. So it will become first ulta, half of square.
Sir, but f is 1 upon r square. So
1 upon
R-
r, it becomes half. It goes up now. And if it becomes double, it remains this only. Huh? So you
1
just take
upon
ulta and square it.
4 times. 4 times. Correct.
Suppose it becomes 2/3, then apply
So
your brain.
9 upon 4.
Yes, perfectly fine. Chalo, copy kar lo first. See, 9th when you have to develop your skill.
Yeah, sir.
Then 10th will be very simple. 11th thoda difficult. 12th is again very simple.
Yeah, sir. Done.
Done? Okay. Everybody has done? One more. Can we do?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
2 more? नहीं, एक बस. क्या इतना है?
सर एक भी
नहीं, भवे बोल रहे सर 5-6 करो ना यार. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
नहीं सर, मैं बोल रहा था अभी छोड़ दो.
क्यों आ गया क्या जलेबी फाफड़ा?
हाँ सर.
गर्मा गर्म जलेबी. Last sum. चलो, can I clear it off?
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if force becomes twice, so this
force becomes twice,
distance
then
will be 1/4.
distance will be 1/4. Yes, very true. Chalo, can I clear it? See, write the approximate weight of a body of mass 5 kg. Mass is 5 kg. Write the weight. My God. Weight means we have to stop? No, it is mg. Don't write oh my mg. What is weight formula? mg. G is 10. That means 50 Newton. What assumption we did? Take G equal to 10 meter per second. Chalo, clear it. Complete. We'll stop here.
Sir, but we have to take 9.8, right?
That's why they have asked what assumption you have done. So I did assumption G equal to 50. That is my mergy. मैं चाहे 9.8 लूं, मैं चाहे 10 लूं, मेरा assumption.
Okay.
they are telling. And सुबह सुबह कौन 9.8 से अपना भेजा खाएगा? पापड़ा जलेबी खाते हैं ना?
हाँ sir.
Yes, completed.
All right. Bye sir. Thank you sir.
अरे इतना जल्दी bye?
Okay,
Okay. Bye everybody. Enjoy your cycle ride.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.